Oh my gosh.
What's a savage hunter?
Oh, you shut up. Don't even talk about my name. Don't even talk about it.
Guys on a roast session.
Yeah.
Wait. Clutch 3. What's wrong with being clutch 1?
It was taken, bro. It was taken.
There's no names in this game. It's not like
Man, what are you? Quality?
I am quality, bitch.
Nah.
Not quantity,
Hey.
quality.
Yeah, no, right? It can't be quantity?
No.
The more the merrier. Oh shit, I just died. Okay, that was my bad. Oh shit.
Tracer. Someone take out the tracer.
I'm coming back. Someone's on point. Nice, good job. Alright, good job, babe. Soldier lit, or soldier. Yep. Discord's up. Discord up. There's a Lucio behind you. Lucio's almost dead. Lucio's one hit. Nice, good job. Reset. I got Discord's on.
Mercy's down.
Where's the tracer? Where's the tracer? Nice, good job.
behind us.
Tracer's behind. Soldier, Discord. Hanzo.
Tracer over here. I'm annoying the shit out of the tracer.
Hanzo Discord.
The tracer.
Oh, I got hit.
I got tracer down already.
I have Discords up. Soldier discorded.
Dragon dog. Fuck their dragon. Oh my god. Someone got hit by the dragon. So fuck the dragon dog. Hell yeah. Dog.
Discord's up.
Them.
Discord's up.
Down.
Discord's on road. Road's almost dead. Oh shit, my bad, Bay. Yeah.
Defend or should we back up?
Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Son of a bitch.
Shit. I'm coming. I have my ult.
Quality, we believe in you. We believed in you, dad.
Get it if you can.
Kill him. Make fun of us as you want. Fucking kill him, dad.
Kill the Mercy, kill the Mercy. Mercy's. I got the Mercy.
Mercy's dead.
We have Discord's up. Discord on road. Kill the road. Road's almost dead. Was one hit.
Road's dead.
Good shit, bro. I mean,
Lucio.
quality.
Lucio. Soldier, soldier, soldier.
Fuck, I tried.
I got him.
I got on Hanzo.
Revenge you, quality.
Good job. Discord's up. Discord's up. Nice. There you go.
Not even one
Alright, reset.
bar. Feels good, man. Good job.
Whew. Discord's up on road. Oh, that's bad for them.
Mistake. I have an
That's a
ult.
mistake. Nice. Good flame strike. They have a Pharah, Mercy. Discord on road again.
Fuck, how? How did I die?
Where's that Pharaoh?
Road. Discord on road. Discord on road.
I got the Pharaoh.
Up on top. Nice. Good job. Discord on road. He's almost dead. One hit.
Got him.
There you go.
Got him.
Reset.
Back up. Wait for it.
Oh, I got her. I got the Hanzo. Who needs healing?
I do.
I got you.
Mercy and Lucio.
I got Mercy discorded. Mercy discorded. You can see her.
I got all.
Try to kill their Mercy.
I got the Mercy over here.
Nice, good job. I have my ult still. Discord on road. I got you, Clutch. I got you.
You got me?
Nope. Nope. I got you now.
That's it.
Oh, got it. Nice, good job. There we go.
Oh,
Easy game.
Ooh.
Quality,
Easy
my
one.
boy.
Good shit.
Han Solo.
Good job. He always leaves. Alright, good job.
Alright, savage
Hey.
hunter.
What's
Hey,
up?
Quality. Has it ever happened that someone talked, like, legit got mad when you talk shit about their names?
first time being toxic in ranked. It's pretty.
Yeah, well, luckily you're with the right crowd. Now, if you're with the wrong crowd, that would be a different story.
Han Solo. What does it mean?
No. You should see his name before this. It was Cuckmate. It was Cuckmate. Here, I'll type it out for you. No, I'll type it out for you. This this was his name.
Fucking love that. And then Blizzard
hot.
said fuck you. And then Blizzard
you
took
Han
my name
Solo?
away. No.
No.
They made me beatnik players. I was like, fuck, dude. Look at that. That's not offensive. Because my first name was Trump.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like you already.
Yeah. And I would put like voice recordings of Trump on the side, like we're not winning anymore. We need
I have an idea. Should I play May and we can build the wall? You down?
people would get so pissed off at me, and they recorded me. And
Oh my God, he's actually doing it. He's doing it.
fuck yeah, dude.
Alright, who here is Mexican? Anyone?
No one.
No.
No one wants to pay for it. Okay.
Okay. Hey, I can't climb it, bro. I can't climb it. Oh shit. We just wasted 10 seconds of our time, guys. Oh shit, Bay. Discords are up. Discords are up on Soldier.
I'm gonna push him in front of you guys. I'm pushing him in front of you guys.
Discords on Symmetra. Symmetra almost down. Discord on Soldier. Discord's up. Someone's almost dead. Oh shit. Yeah, I got it. Alright, push in. Alright. Oh shit, my bad. Check me out. I think that's it. Guys.
That wall was too OP.
That wall. Bay. Alright. Good job. Good job, guys.
Hey, I'm adding quality. This guy's too funny.
Yeah.
I gotta add your quality.
Yeah. We all have to add you.
I'm down for a roast session anytime.
Yup. Alright, that was good. Ooh. See, I swear, this is what I see every single game. Literally every single game, this is what I see. Look at that. Damn. Good job, guys.
79 kill per
Oh my god. Alright, good job.
Dude, vote for Han Solo. Where is he?
He wasn't playing Hanzo. Oh man.
Fuck it.
One more game. One more game.
Yeah, I'm
One
done.
more game, bro.
I'm down. Oh my goodness. I'm at